COVID-19 cases and hospitalizations are trending down, but the governor says the numbers are still too high.
Amid a push to get more people to roll up their sleeves, there are also questions about booster shots and child vaccinations.
10 News reporter McKinley Struther is working for you to clear up some of the confusion. He joins us live. McKinley, what did the governor say today?
He had a lot to say, John, but he spent most of his time sending a strong message tonight to those that are still unvaccinated. COVID chaos.
Our hospitals really are at capacity at 100% and then some.
Nearly everyone who is getting COVID is unvaccinated.
Leading tonight to COVID confusion and booster blunders.
There is confusion in that area.
Today, Governor Northam addressed the Commonwealth's response to COVID-19.
This chart is from June until now. What you can see is a dramatic increase from a handful of cases a day to upwards of 4,000 cases a day just a few weeks ago.
He called this completely avoidable, placing a lot of blame on those unvaccinated.
After all these months, I don't know what else to say to people who selfishly choose not to get the shot.
Roanoke City Public School Superintendent Verletta White
We are excited.
was one of 3 school leaders invited to speak today.
We will soon have about 900 by next now test kits so that our school nurses will be able to conduct on-site testing.
There is work to be done on our side of the state. Places like Alexandria and Arlington have more than 90% of eligible students vaccinated, the governor says, while places like Highland and Patrick counties have around 17%.
The booster shots are authorized just to increase those immunity levels because we do know they can wane after a period of time.
And boosters are available to those eligible, but who is that? Health leaders admit there is confusion, but say there is enough vaccine for them.
It's on an honor system that you are in one of those high-risk occupations.
A few other numbers for you tonight. 75 to 80% of state employees, according to the governor, have gotten at least one shot of the vaccine. And a little more than 60% of our state troopers are fully vaccinated. If you need information on when and where to get your vaccine, I have that for you on WSLS.com. In our newsroom this evening, I'm McKinley Struther, 10 News, working for you.